Hill, Birdtown, Barney, Sidon, Hopewell, and Cleburne County. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and north-central Arkansas. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 13, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Arkansas: Arkansas, Cleburne, Conway, Faulkner, Garland, Grant, Hot Spring, Jefferson, Lone Oak, Perry, Prairie, Pulaski, Saline, and White. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Faulkner County in central Arkansas, west central White County in central Arkansas until 3:30 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Spring Hill, or 8 miles north of Conway, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conway, Greenbrier, Wooster, Rosebud, Enola, Mount Vernon, Tickles Gap, Spring Hill, Wilney Hollow State Park, Holland, Barney, Enders, and El Paso.